Hey everyone, Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here to show you how to pair your Beats Studio Pro headphones to your phone. All you need to do is start by opening up the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Then you just hold this power button here until you see the lights start to flash. You can see all the lights begin to flash after you held the button down, which just means that they're in pairing mode. And you can see that they appeared on the phone over here. If you have an iPhone, they will also pop up this little menu where you can just connect. Even if you're not in the Bluetooth settings, if you just hold them near the phone, if you're on an Android, you will need to go to your Bluetooth settings. And just like that, the headphones are paired. If you want to adjust the name, the transparency mode, noise cancellation, etc., you can just click on that little eye on the right side of the connection. You can also disconnect and forget the device. If you are selling the headphones or something, it's always good to forget the device just so that the next person can start with a fresh set of headphones. If the headphones are already connected to a phone, you need to first turn the headphones off by hitting the power button. Then you can hit the power button again and hold it down until the lights turn on and begin to flash. Now, even though they were connected to this phone, they're ready to pair to another device.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.